Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash. I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for 19th March 2021. You'll be seeing me on Monday again with the analysis for Monday and coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that right now market is trading at 0.8553. Okay, so when this pair came up, so I was thinking uh, that okay, I'll have to spread the bad word again, because you know it very well that from the last week, okay, I've been telling the same stuff to avoid Euro GBP, and still you can see that market is still having no volatility. Still market is very much flat. Okay, still very much flat, so there is no trading opportunity for Euro GBP. Okay, just you can see that in the support I have just mentioned one level of 8533, 0.8533, this green line. So that is the only trading opportunity that may arise. Okay, as we know that Euro GBP has been in a great downtrend for quite some time, and surprisingly this level is providing good amount of support to the market. So in case market crosses this level, okay, then only we will be looking for a shorting the market opportunity. So if market crosses this level, then we need great amount of volume to be to get convinced that yes, we can short the market, because you can see that market after the fall, after that great fall, market is providing support. Okay, so if market crosses this level, wait for at least one day. I'll say wait for at least one day to get the confirmation that okay, the support is no longer valid and yes, we can short the market. Okay, so therefore today is Friday. Avoid Euro GBP for Friday. I'll be coming back on Monday again, and I'll tell you what to do. Okay, because see, things are very clear. Okay, market is not moving. Okay, there is not much movement in the market, so it is not possible to make money if there is no volatility in the market. There are plenty of pairs available, okay, where you can make good amount of money. So avoid Euro GBP for Friday. Simple. So please don't mind. Hopefully you have understood the logic behind it. So thank you so much, and this is it. Thank you so much. See you on Monday then. Good luck. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Bye bye. See you on Monday. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist. Thank you so much.